During CES, there were a lot of mind-blowing and concept tech shown off, but one of the more cool and practical announcements was Lenovo's smart displays. These displays look to be Google's answers to the Echo Show. Let's take a closer look. So Google partnered with a few companies to help flesh out their idea of a visual Google Assistant. One of the companies with a working prototype was Lenovo. Lenovo calls these their Smart Display 8 and Smart Display 10, obviously due to the screen size of the two tablets. Now this whole project allows you to see answers, help, do video calling, and pretty much anything else that Google Assistant allows you to do, but in a more visually pleasing way. You can control the displays via voice or touch and ask for anything that you would normally ask Google Assistant, but again this time being able to view it on the screen instead of just hearing it from a speaker. The two displays have the same Snapdragon 624 processor and 2 gigs of RAM to power them. The 8 though has a 1280 by 800 resolution display, while the 10 has a much higher HD quality 1920 by 1200 display. Both should be released this summer, with the 8 running at around $200 and the 10 being $250. Now this was seriously one of my favorite products from all of CES. Lastly, we give a huge thanks to Lenovo for sponsoring this video and CES coverage this year, and we'll see you next time on Your Tech Explained.